Alright guys, so we got our Spivo capture Spivo Stick in the mail. Products made in Canada. There's some more information here on the back. Alright. Comes with this little carrying case. You see here. So let's slide this out. Right, so here's our Spivo Stick. So the way this works is you fix your GoPro here to the top, and you've got this button back here on the back, and when you press this button, it can flip your GoPro from front to rear facing, just like that. Because we noticed when we were on our recent trip that you know, when you're in hero mode, you can't exactly you know, unless you turn your selfie stick around or whatnot, you can't switch front facing and rear facing after you start recording in hero mode. But with this Spivo Stick, that's not a problem, because I can just flip it around. If I want to record myself, there you go. I want to record front facing again, just like that. The only setback that I see to this is that it doesn't fold up. So that's the setback I see to this. It's got this little strap here. Let me take off this product information. It says on the inside of this product information, it's got the instructions, do's and don'ts here. So a few warnings on here. It says don't use the Spivo Stick in mud. It seems kind of obvious. Don't use your Spivo Stick as a flotation device, because it doesn't float. And let's see, don't bend, compress, pull, twist, or put the Spivo Stick. Let's see. So it says avoid areas with lots of sand. It may temporarily jam your Spivo Stick if you get sand down in there. And I'm sure that's talking about if you get sand down in here, that could jam up your so it looks like there's some, I can't tell if there's a, so you want to avoid getting sand down in here. If you could take it to the beach or something. So alright guys, just so you can see how this functions, once you get your GoPro mounted on here, there you go, just like that. So that way you can do your front facing and rear facing in hero mode. It's not very long. I'd say maybe about 18 inches there, without measuring it. Definitely going to use this on our trip we got coming up next week. And yeah, I think this will be a pretty good addition to to my travel kit. So there you have it, folks. There's your Spivo Stick. And thanks for tuning in, guys.